In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule your California DMV permit test online, step by step. Whether you're a teen getting your first license or an adult applying for a learner's permit, the process is pretty simple once you know where to go. Start by opening your browser and searching for Schedule California DMV Permit Test. You'll see a link that says dmv.ca.gov. This is the official California DMV website. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll land on a page that covers all the appointment types. Scroll through and select Driving Permit. When it asks for the purpose, choose Apply for Instruction Permit. Next, you'll need to pick the type of permit. For most people, it's the learner's permit. If you're 18 or older, you'll see a quick note explaining that you'll need to complete a driver's license or ID application before you can take the test. Click on the button that says Start Application. This will take you to the online form for your driver's license or ID. You'll need to fill this out with your personal info, like your full name, address, and social security number if you have one. It also asks for details like your physical description and contact info. Once you're done with the application, it's time to book your appointment. Head back to the permit page and look for the option that lets you schedule a visit. You'll be asked to select a DMV office location. Pick the one closest to you. After that, choose a date and time that works best for you. Try to pick a time when you can arrive a bit early, especially if it's your first visit. Now the website will ask for your details to confirm the appointment. Enter your full name, your phone number, and the application confirmation number if you have it. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, and you'll also get one sent to your email. And that's it. Your permit test appointment is all set. Thanks for watching.